What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video I have 4 cases from one of my favorite case brands, Tudia. And next to those 4 cases I have my favorite budget-friendly device, the 2024 Moto G Stylus. These cases were sent to me to try out on my device, so thank you for looking out, Tudia. I appreciate it. Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
Check this out, guys. Me, Spectacular Gadgets, the one that has a case on every phone, was actually rocking this device right here without a case. And that's because I absolutely love the feel of this device. It's very hard not to just like the way that it feels in the hand, but I know there are people that really like to have cases on their device for the protection, and so that's why we are here. There are 4 color options to choose from: smoky pink, hunter green, matte black, and indigo blue. The smoky pink is the only color that doesn't have the black TPU, so I wanted to show you this one first. Notice the textured ridges on both sides for grip. It gives it like a ruler look, but it does serve as grip. This case is slightly different from the Tudia merge grip case I have on my Pixel 8a. This is a DualShield design, meaning it is a 2-part case. The back, which is the hard polycarbonate, and then you have the soft TPU. And no, you don't necessarily have to pull the case apart to install the device. You can simply just put the device in the case as I'm doing, and just like that, the case is installed. Camera protection is present. You notice that there is raised edges along the camera unit. Let's take a look around the bottom of the case, and you have precise cutouts. As you see, nothing is covered. Let's go ahead and pull out that stylus to make sure we have an ample amount of cutout for the case to pull that out. And as you see, there is a decent amount of space, so you shouldn't have any issues removing that stylus. Now you have covered buttons. So with these cases, the buttons are normally clicky for the volume or the power button. Screen protection consists of raised edges all along the screen, so you are protected there. This budget-friendly device does include wireless charging, so I'm going to test that out with the Tudia merge case on. I'm confident with the precision of the cutouts, but let me show you plugging in my charging cable. I don't have any issues. Removing the case is pretty easy, just a slight push off of the corners and you have released your device. Now I'm going to show you what the other 3 colors look like on the device. I don't think I mentioned the cost of these cases. Currently, at the time of this video, the cases, regardless of the color, will cost you $14.99 each on Amazon. I would totally recommend this case. It still has a slim, sleek design, but still offers heavy-duty protection without being too bulky. Plus, it does have military-grade drop protection, and the matte finish of these cases leaves less fingerprints. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.